Joe, where did this come from?
What?
This. It was on the white table.
What is it?
Mom ate it.
I don't know what the hell it is. What the fuck is it?
I ate it.
What is it? Is it fake food? Seriously.
Joe, I ate it.
I don't know where the hell it came from. Was it at Jane's house?
No.
What is
They
that?
went to the stage house. Come on, you guys. This was on the white table. One of you did it. Megan, you didn't bring food from your house. Nothing?
Where's the tray from my mother's house?
It's in there.
It's like randomly a Thanksgiving dinner now. It's none of us know.
That's not Thanksgiving. That's
I
Poopsgiving.
ate that. I ate that. There was more of it. And I was just picking it before I saw all this.
What was it, Mom? What did it taste
Stuffing.
like?
I thought it was all over here and I was picking on it.
It's like
That looks like poop.
I don't know where the hell that came from.
First of all, why did you even look? Did you look at that at all?
This? This is turkey.
Why is there barf
Is it
on
fake?
it?
Does that stuff look like rubber?
Is it fake?
I ate it. It's not fake.
Did it taste good?
That did. There's like nuts.